Circulon sent their A1 Series frying pan for our review, and this has scratch defense. This is their way of basically protecting that bottom plate on your favorite frying pan. This thing is awesome. As you can see in the video, I just used a little bit of oil. You could use obviously butter, and I literally scrambled eggs with a fork right on the surface. And this is after the fact. Look at that. Zero scratching. You can try your best. This will definitely hold up. I love the fact that this handle also is super nice to hold. This whole thing is really, really strong. Love that you can, as we were using it with propane, but you can use it obviously with regular stovetops or even induction, which is really, really cool. Love it that it's also a little bit deeper than our other frying pan, so if you're doing casseroles or if you're doing bigger hearty meals, definitely going to serve you there. And the last thing, but not the least, it is extremely easy to clean. Just wipe it down with a little bit of soapy water and you are good to go.